or else leisure time, break time, counseling time, just to go and meet them. No? Definitely you will have the right time. No? Please, your conscience knows very well where you are back. Few students are unable to write Telugu properly. How far it is correct? Right? In 9th and 10th, the teachers are supposed to teach Varnamala to you. It's a shame, no? It's very shame. Don't you know whether you are good at or not? Don't you know? Still people are saying I am weak in grammar. How far it is correct? Right? Beginning onwards, you are having wonderful language with you, nursery, LKG also. Huh? Absolutely central program you are providing in nursery onwards. Still you are struggling a lot to go and identify the particular sentences and remaining aspects in grammar. Who is the main reason? Yes, whether you are weak, you know very well. Rather than cheating others, rather than deceiving your parents and teachers, please extend your extra concentration on that one. Take support from other sources. That's it. Even writing bagunda leda ni telustunda leda. But what is the alternative? So go and purchase small line copy. You feel, go and write. Do you know Amitabh Bachchan, sir? Do you know Amitabh Bachchan? Yes. Pioneer of film industry. Pioneer of film industry. Before his entry in the film industry, there was no torch bearer to him, no inspirer to him, no particular model to him. Actually, his body language, his height is very different one. When he approached in first time to the film industry, whenever he wants to act in the movies, you know, they just laugh at him. But body language, soppu bandela nuve nadistavai ani vimarsincharu. Alanti mahanubavudu film industry ke oka margadarshi. He earned a lot of love and affection, concern from across the world. But one fine day, when he decided to go with the ABC Corporation, Amitabh Bachchan Corporation, he spent lot of money. Unfortunately, he got back from that business. Everything has lost. Even Mangala Sutra and his wife. Wife medal ఉన్న మంగళ సూత్రాన్ని కూడా కుదరబెట్టినారు. అలాంటి మహానుభావుడు least bother. He didn't regret about that one because yes, it's my mistake or maybe I didn't get that much expert in business. That's the reason I was just failed. But what I have to do? First time in the history of India, he has gone with one beautiful program in GTV. Kaun Banega Crorepati. There's a half-an-hour program used to come previous years. మాను అప్పుడు కౌన్ బనేగా కరోడ్పతి మీలో ఎవరు కోటీశ్వరులని నాగార్జున వస్తున్నాడు ఈ మధ్యలో తెలుసా సార్? మనం ఏమైనా తడవాళ్ళ గేమ్ చూస్తూ ఉంటాం, అలా అవి ఇవి చెక్ చేసుకుంటాం. కౌన్ బనేగా కరోడ్పతి, ఐ వాజ్ రియల్లీ సర్ప్రైజ్డ్. A person like him, generally they don't want to get down from their stage. Who is going to do anchor? Common people will come and join with that one. That was our opinion. But a lesson, a legacy of industry decided. Kaun Banega Crorepati lo entandi, asking question time, framing questions, getting answers, that will be different. Because of one program, again he has come onto the light of society. I observed him. He has given interview to India Today also. కూర్చునే విధానం కొరకు వర్క్ చేసేవారంట. ఎలా ఉండాలా, ముస్టేచ్ ఎలా ఉండాలా, బియర్డ్ ఎలా ఉండాలా, డ్రెస్ ఏం వేసుకోవాలా. Almost all 6 months he has done great hard work to sit properly. Like అసలు అమితాబ్ బచ్చన్ ఉంటే చాలా అనుకుంటాం మనం ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో. Least bother about all those things. For example, megastar Chiranjeevi or Pawan Kalyan came to our school. Yes, instead of Hari Krishna sir, he is addressing me. Will you observe his body language? Chappal and this? No. He is absolutely having very great name and fame. But Amitabh Bachchan లాంటి మహానుభావుడు అంత కష్టపడతాం, మనం ఎంత కష్టపడాలండి. షారూఖ్ ఖాన్ చూశారు, భగవంతుడి డౌన్ నువ్వు ఎట్లున్నవై అందరు 6 ప్యాక్ 12 ప్యాక్ వస్తే నీకు ఏ ప్యాక్ లేదని చెప్పారట షారూఖ్ ఖాన్. 6 months ప్రపంచానికి కనబడకుండా వెళ్ళిపోయాడు షారూఖ్ ఖాన్. He has come with a 10 pack with his body. Our comedy actor Sunil, లడ్డు ఉంటాడు, 50 ఇడ్లీలు టిఫిన్ పెడితే ఒక గిన్నె అని ఒక 2 తీసి 40 తింటాడు. అంతేనండి. అలాంటి వాడు కూడా బాడీని మార్చుకోగలిగాడు. That is a commitment. Sincere commitment is required to reach your target. No. Beginning onwards, I want to see your hairstyle. Everything should be appear in neat manner. hairstyle, it provides you handsomeness to your body language. నువ్వు ముఖం ఇంత ఉంటుంది, చెత్త కుప్పలాగా ఇంత ఉంటుంది, స్కామింగ్ జరుగుతున్నాడు కదా. అంతే నువ్వు చూసుకుంటే మంచిగా ఒక్కడు కూడా అందంగా లేడు, నాకు ఒక్కడు కూడా అందంగా లేడు క్యాంపస్లో. పిత్రి ఆగమా నీట్గా ఉండాలి హెయిర్ స్టైల్. మనం ఏమన్నా బలగడానికి వస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడికి లేదు కదా. వేర్ వీఆర్ కమింగ్ రే షెఫర్డ్ బాయ్, కౌ బాయ్ అప్డేట్ అవుతున్నాం కదా. Yes, you are absolutely Johnsonite. I hope definitely please change, alter your mindset and everything, body language, your behavior, everything. The children who are good at, please support your remaining also now. Better to travel in fine manner. Okay. Once again, I extend my advance wishes to you for this academic year. Please do complete. You are coming 10th this academic year only, because the teachers who are teaching 10th right now with you in 9th only. What a lucky children you are, right? You can catch their way of methodology, teaching, presentation. Everything is going to be very feasible to you. Okay? I hope you should all the best. May God bless you. Have a wonderful time. Please do utilize. Don't shuffle here to there without permission of your class teacher. Yes, he is your mother and father for 9th class. Because first period, first impression should be the best impression. Absolutely. Whatever the way you are going to represent in the first period, that leads to the last period also. I want to see every time, I want to glance. Definitely, I am having so many eyes. రెండు లేవు, 20 ఉన్నాయినా తిరుగుతూనే ఉంటాయి, చెక్ చేస్తుంటాను నేను. ప్రతిదీ కూడా గమనిస్తా, అమ్మాయి కానీ అబ్బాయి కానీ. ఓకేనా? బాగా ఉండాలి, బెస్ట్ చిల్డ్రన్గా వెళ్ళిపోవాలి ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఓకేనా? గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ నాన్న. హ్యావ్ ఎ వండర్ఫుల్ టైం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.